Welcome to another lesson of our mathematical video lessons online. We are given a question which is 16 raised to the power root of y plus 16 raised to the power root of y equals 16. We want to find y. Let's jump straight into it. For this, I have 16 raised to the power root of y plus 16 raised to the power root of y equals 16. Now 16 raised to the power root of y plus 16 raised to the power root of y, they are like terms, therefore they can be added. This is therefore going to give us 2 to bracket 16 raised to the power y equals 16. Now from this, I can divide both sides by 2. 16 raised to the power root of y is equal to 8. From here, 16 is the same as 2 raised to the power 4 root of y, and 8 is the same as 2 raised to the power 3. That will give us 8. Now this is an equation, and from this equation we can see that the bases on both sides are equal. Therefore, we equate the exponent, which gives us 4 root y is equal to 3. Now we are after y, so what do? We divide both sides by 4 by 4. This is going to give us root of y equals 3 on 4. We are after y, but not the root of y. So we square both sides to take off the root sign. This is going to give us all squared equals 3 over 4 all squared. From this, we conclude that y equals 9 on 16. If you like the solution, do follow us for more. Thank you. See you on the next one.